Alright guys, how you doing? We're back with another pack opening. This one is going to be a real short one. 2 packs of Sun and Moon. My Walmart does not have a lot of cards usually, so it's kind of you get what you get when you get it. So let's see what we got. What was it, 3 again? Maybe that's right, we'll see. Metapod. Grand Ball. Pokeball. Taj Damaru. I know I'm butchering these names, so if anything, you'll all get a laugh out of it. Grammar. Fomantis. Cosmog. Rock and Roller. EVA. What is that? Some sort of EV. Harmonia. And a red energy. Alrighty. One more. Maybe we can get one of them EX or full arts or something. 1, 2, 3. Metapod. Tarakat. Rainbow Energy. Fomantis. Morlul. Sandygast. Dratini. Diglett. Fokamuku. Shinotic. And an energy. Alright, like I said, that was going to be a real short opening. And I appreciate your time. I'm sure you found my names on these to be rather comical. But that's okay. Just do a quick back run through. And Dratini. I'm still trying to catch one of those so I can evolve it on Pokemon Go. Where'd that Eevee go? Eevee. And the whole rare, ultra rare, hollow, all those are pretty new to me as I'm trying to figure out what's what. So I'm sure I'll be able to figure this one out. What is that? I don't know. I'll figure it out later. But yeah, that's it. So anyway, got an Eevee. Woohoo. Y'all, thanks for watching. And